Hi, welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Are you thinking about launching a personal care services in Vermont? In Vermont, personal care services are hands-on supports that allow people with disabilities or age-related needs to live with dignity at home. It's all about helping with activities of daily living like bathing, dressing, meal prep, and light housekeeping to ensure independence and safety. Step 1. Business and legal setup. Start by registering your business with the Secretary of State and obtaining your Type 2 MPI. While basic non-medical home care doesn't require a state license in Vermont, you still need to secure comprehensive liability insurance and build a professional policy manual that meets ADL standards. Step 2. State partnership and Medicaid. Next, apply to become an approved provider through a regional designated agency, of DA, or the Adult Services Division. You'll also need to enroll in the Medicaid Prism Portal. This allows you to bill for services provided under programs like Choices for Care or the Developmental Disabilities Waiver. Step 3. Staffing and quality care. Hire a team of personal care attendants who pass all background checks. This is mandatory. Train your staff on HIPAA, infection control, and the participant's individual support plan, ISP. Use daily care logs to track tasks and ensure you're meeting the participants' specific goals. Launching a care agency is a big mission, but Waiver Consulting Group simplifies the paperwork. We handle your provider enrollment, draft your state-specific policy manuals, and provide the daily care templates you need to stay compliant. We take care of the red tape so you can focus on the care.
Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your journey today.